Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again tonight. As you can see, I'm working on yet another MDF wood round. This one is 20 inches. I just finished doing the purple round with all purples. If you missed it and haven't seen it, check out the link above. That'll take you to that video. And so I thought I'd save some time. Now the bottom is taped, and I've already applied a coat of gesso. And so I have now applied, I let the gesso dry, obviously. And now I've applied my layer of white, which is here in my bottle, which is Floetrol and Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White. I've taken my squeeze bottle and gone around the edges to make sure all my edges are covered. So I thought I'd get this done ahead of time because I'm sure most of you have seen this before. One thing I did want to mention is I had a few people say in comments in some of my videos and say, you talk too much, or say something like, you know, I wish you would just get straight to pouring and not waste any of my precious time. I had to wait 7 minutes before you actually started pouring. Well, I'll tell you this. There's such thing as a fast forward button. If you are an intermediate painter or, you know, someone who's been painting a while and you don't need to learn the basics of how to get started, then by all means, guys, fast forward. Okay, it's really simple. Because there are people out there who are beginners and really want to learn, you know, from scratch what I do or how I did it and, you know, all that stuff. So I would really appreciate it, you know, if you've already seen this part before and you already know what I'm doing and you already know how to do this part, feel free to hit the fast forward button, guys. There is such thing. So just fast forward. It's really simple, guys. So anyways, that's my beef for tonight. So moving along, I'm going back to blues and I'm also going to do purples. So tonight's pour is going to be blue and purple, and we'll see how it turns out. As I said, this is 20 inches. So the colors I am going to be using tonight are Greenish Blue by Amsterdam, Payne's Gray by Pebeo Studio Acrylics, followed by Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft. I've got Dioxazine Purple by Liquitex Basics. I have Deep Magenta by Artist Loft. And finally, I have Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo Studio Acrylics. So those are the colors I'm using tonight. I was going to say something and I forgot. So anywho, those are the colors I'm using tonight. And so let's get started. Wow, I really was just about to say something and I totally lost my train of thought. Like, that is crazy. All right, so we'll start with, and I've already popped the bubbles with my torch. So I've already gone ahead and done that. So let's get started and we will see what happens with bluey purples. So I just finished doing the purple pour and it's drying over there on my drying rack and it looks pretty neat, actually. I still love blues. Like, I mean, nothing will ever beat blues. So, but someone had asked me, a viewer, said, could you please do purples? And I said, of course. If you guys have anything you want me to try, you know, let me know. You know, put it down in the comments below, guys. And I will be more than happy to try it. I may not try it right away because I am busy. And, you know, but I will at some point give it a go. So if there's a special color combination you want me to try, let me know. All right, so let's go with purple. I love Metallic Cobalt Blue. Well, I love every blue, but it really is a superb color. All right, Iridescent Green Blue. This one's also super cool. All right, and last but not least, actually, I almost kind of want to leave it like that. Should I? Should I add the magenta? There's only one purple in there though. Nah, let's just stick with my original plan. I picked it for a reason, so maybe I'll just do a quick wispy line. Oops, didn't go to the end there. All right. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna pour my white around the edges. All right, let's go to the other side. Perfect. Okay, let's torch it, pop all the bubbles. Okay, all right, let's blow the white over. Start with that. Okay, so the white's been blown over, and for those of you who have watched me do this a million times, I'm going to start in the middle, blow this way, and then go back to the middle and blow the other way. So let's do that. Alrighty. Let's see, here's the middle. I was gonna blow it again with the hairdryer. Maybe I should, just right here. Let's see, I hope I don't ruin it. There we go. Okay. I'm super thrilled I actually went with my gut and put the magenta in there and didn't take it out, because my gosh, these colors, guys, holy cow. I don't want to touch it. I want to blow it, but I don't want to blow it. I think, okay, I'm definitely going to blow this part because I want it to come over the edge, just like the rest, and just a smidge. It's like literally hanging for dear life right here. So I'm going to blow that. I'm honestly, I'm not even going to touch this. I might just blow right here and right here. Wow, look at this. It's like, oh, this must be the iridescent green blue in here for sure. All right, so let me just start with this. Just to get it over the edge so that it matches the rest, which is fine. So that's okay. Let's see here. I'm going to put the hairdryer over here so I don't cause an accident. I'm going to blow this right here. Just over the edge. And I can tell there is a bunch of color under here. But I don't want to disturb these cells. So let me torch it and see. Yeah, there's so much paint under there. All right. Let me blow this part. All right, so that is now over the edge. Help it along down here a bit. Okay, so that's over the edge, and I'm fine with that. Holy, I can't get over these colors. I'm gonna have to do these colors again. It's insane. I'm just gonna blow here now. There's a speck of something in here. I'll take that out. And this, I was gonna say this at the end, but then I'll probably forget. When you're done, and if you see like a little piece of fluff or like a dust bunny or a pet hair, in my case a Juno hair, All you have to do, literally, guys, is just take your finger and dab it, and it sticks to your finger, and then just wipe it away. So don't like dig your finger in there. Just literally touch the surface, and whatever is in there is literally gonna stick to your finger. So do that. Don't like sit there and dig into it, whatever you do. All right, just gonna blow here carefully. Ooh, look at the blue that came out in there. I'm so excited. I love the pink, so I'm gonna try really hard not to blow that. And I'm just gonna blow a little bit here just to get rid of some of this. Oh gosh, it's so pretty. There's so much color under there. Just really want to blow the heck out of it, but I'm not going to. Just gonna see last thing here. I love it. There's when I bring you down for a close-up, there is a thick hard edge of metallic cobalt blue running around here, and it looks super neat. So I'm just gonna see if there's any color under here. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rotate my board because it'll be easier. And no, I don't want a Lazy Susan. A lot of people keep mentioning that. I really don't want a Lazy Susan. So a lot of people are like, hey, get a Lazy Susan. No, I don't want one. I've tried them. I wasn't happy with it. So I will stick to what works best for me. And that is just turning it. So, all right, let's see what's hiding under here. All right, I was able to stretch the cells a little bit and cover some of that big blotch of white. So that's it. I'm content with that. And I can even just touch. Another thing you can do is touch the edges, and it actually blends with the white. So it kind of leaves like a really soft edge, or it gets rid of it completely, which is actually kind of cool. So don't be afraid to touch it. You know, like, I mean, don't dig your fingers into it. Just lightly touch it. And honestly, guys, I'm done. I'm not even going to do anything else with this. This is stunning. I cannot get over how wicked this looks. Super cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to touch my edges here so that I have colored paint. All right. So what you want to do, oh, let's torch it. I don't want to torch it. It actually looks really cool the way it is. Let me see. Oh, look at that. The magenta just came out right there. All right. I don't want to torch any of the outside because there's already some really cool cells happening, especially on this side. This side, yeah, lots of blue just came out. You can see with your eyes where there's paint trapped underneath. So right here, I can see there's metallic cobalt blue, but there's a very thin layer of white on top. So when you torch it, it comes out. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. I'm pretty sure you can, but you can see it by eye where there's paint hiding underneath the surface. Okay, I'm done. I absolutely love it. this here is my favorite part. So let me bring you guys in for this wicked close-up. All right. And let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna just turn you guys around. Sorry, guys. All right. This is my favorite part. I'm holding on to my phone so tight because the last thing I want to do is drop it in the paint. But look at the cool cells. Super, super cool. And a lot of people still ask me, oh, do you use silicone? Sorry. No, I don't. I hate silicone. You know, all my loyal old fans, not old, but longtime fans who have been watching for a long time know how much I despise silicone. I don't use it in anything I do. And people say, oh, well, how do you get all the cells? Floetrol. That's it, guys. Floetrol, paint, and a dash of water. So if you want to know how I mix my paints in these squeeze bottles, check out the video number 63. Click on that and that'll tell you how I do the bottles. But in the meantime, let me know what you guys think about this beauty. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you are new watching my channel, you happen to stumble across my channel, welcome. I hope you like what you see. Please hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. I would really appreciate it. And leave a comment below, guys. Check out all my social media links. I have Amazon shops for those of you who want to buy, you know, the materials I use, the torch, the spatula, the squeeze bottles. I have all that stuff on the Amazon links below, US and Canadian links. And my PayPal link for anyone who would like to donate. Kimberly, once again, thank you, Kimberly, for your donation. You really are a gem. But yeah, so if anyone wants to donate, the PayPal link is below. It helps me buy materials so that I can keep doing these tutorials. All right, that's it, guys. I hope I didn't talk too much and bore some of you. That's it for now. I'll be back. I think next time I'm going to do some coasters. I think I'm going to give the rounds a break and work on some coasters. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hopefully I'll do some soon. Until then, take care, have a good night, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. What's the matter? Juno, what? What? Good morning, buddy. You making Mama dizzy. Juno? Juno? Hi. Hi, big boy. You want to say hi? You little wolf. You? What? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? You want to eat? It's not time yet though, bud. Alright, say bye. Juno.